Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, the only show that keeps you plugged into the latest electric vehicle news and trends. I'm your host today, Name, and we've got some exciting updates on China's passenger new energy vehicle retail sales. So, in a remarkable turn of events, after 2 consecutive months of sequential declines, China's NEV retail sales have rebounded with a bang. According to the latest data from the China Passenger Car Association, retail sales of passenger NEVs totaled 991,000 units in March. That's up 38% year-on-year and a whopping 45% from February. Now, we know that the Chinese New Year holiday usually takes a toll on auto production and sales, but this year was different. The holiday ran from January 28th to February 4th, giving NEV manufacturers just enough time to catch up and deliver a strong March performance. But what's really interesting here is how different types of NEVs performed in March. Battery electric vehicles, or BEVs, were the clear winners, with retail sales of 646,000 units. That's up an impressive 50.6% from last year and 51.2% from February. They contributed a staggering 65.2% of all NEV retail sales in March. Now, you might be wondering what happened to plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, or PHEVs. Well, they saw some decent growth too, with retail sales of 268,000 units. That's up 24.6% year-on-year and a cool 37.5% from February. And it looks like extended-range electric vehicles, or EREVs, are also gaining traction, with sales of 77,000 units in March. That's up 4.1% year-on-year and 25.9% from February. But what does this mean for the overall NEV market? Well, according to the CPCA, China's passenger cars, including sedans, SUVs, and MPVs, retailed 1.94 million units in March. That's up 14.4% year-on-year and a whopping 40.2% from February. And if you're wondering about NEV penetration rates, well, they've returned to above 50%, which is fantastic news for the industry. The NEV penetration rate at retail was 51.1% in March. That's an increase of 8.7 percentage points year-on-year and 1.6 percentage points from February. Now, let's take a look at the breakdown by brand. For local brands, NEV penetration was an impressive 72%, while luxury brands were lagging behind with just 35%. And mainstream JV brands? Well, they're still struggling to get on board, but that's a story for another time. China's wholesale sales of passenger NEVs were 1,128,000 units in March. That's up 35.5% year-on-year and 35.9% from February. And if you're wondering about NEV penetration at the wholesale level, well, it was 46.8% in March. That's up 9.2 percentage points year-on-year, but down 0.2 percentage points from February. Now, let's talk exports. Passenger NEVs exported from China amounted to 143,000 units in March. That's up 6.4% year-on-year and 21.2% from February. And it looks like BEVs are leading the charge, with exports of A0 and A00 class BEVs accounting for 33% of NEV exports. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. We'll be back next time with more news, analysis, and insights on the electric vehicle industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of EVs.